I'm Aneta Volcano from anetavolcano.com. I'm a singer, songwriter, musician, and I'm a recent YouTuber. Today I will be showing you how to find your list of subscribers. And there are two ways of doing so. So there you go. One way to find your subscribers, which is the easiest, and oh my gosh, I don't know how I even missed that. So you basically go to your YouTube channel, click on your icon, then you go to your channel, and then basically what you have to do is just click on Customize Channel. Click on that, and then on top of the page you've got your subscribers. Ta-da! Subscribers. 12 at the moment. Still growing, slowly, but growing. It's unbelievable that I actually spent 1 hour looking for this answer. Unbelievable. Then I'll show you another option. If for some reason this one doesn't work for you, I don't know, maybe your YouTube channel is displayed differently. I don't know. Sometimes it's just different weird things happen. So another way to find your subscribers is I click on that. Then I go to my YouTube channel. Then from here, you go to a secret place, which is on the left of your page. Basically, you've got some playlists here. Some of the playlists are automatically created by YouTube, liked videos, for example. And there was one more I had deleted. But then I created my own playlists as well. Actually, that was yesterday. And I've got some playlists here, tutorials and my music, guitar covers, and so on. You just have to click on one of those playlists. I'll click on my music, let's say. And then what you do is you click here, this is your name or the name of your channel. And then here you've got edit. Click on edit. Then magically you scroll to the top of the page. And voila, here you have your subscribers. There you go. You click on that. Not all of them are showing up because some of them are private. So as I said before, I've created my own playlist here. If you want to know how to create playlists, then watch my video. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. Please like my channel if you like the videos. Leave the comment below if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you. So I spent nearly an hour trying to find the answer to the question of how to find my list of subscribers, and I couldn't. I was literally going from one tutorial to another and there wasn't an answer on the internet. Okay, so I started basically clicking on every possible option on my channel, and you know what? I just left it, and then I clicked on one of my playlists, and that's how I found out where the subscribers are, and that was just by accident. And I thought, so here it is, hidden. Obviously, they can't make the option straightforward. I was trying to find the answer by myself, and I found it. Yes. I hope it's useful for you too. So that's that. Thank you for watching. So if you want to watch my next video, how to create your own playlists, please follow the links, and hope to see you soon. Bye.